Let me put this cloud a little bit less active. It's a red cloud. So price, very, very small market yesterday again. Euro USD from the moment of our entry didn't move more than 11 pips up. So if you're still in it, you're in blue. But I said to use a stop loss because we do 5 trades without stop loss, and most people have 5 trades without stop loss. And unless that really, really becomes better because we choose to close stuff or we are getting slowly into profits, I chose to start giving those 2 to 3 trades.
For me, it was very hard. I was almost never an employee, only for fun, bartender, sailing instructor, that kind of stuff. But basically, I was always self employed from very young age. And even when I had a small company in Europe with 50 employees, that is considered in Europe probably going to the right side of the quadrant. But if I was too long away from the office, for whatever reasons, building on the business instead of going working into the business as a self-employed person, the business was going down instead of up. So the goal for a big business owner is that the business is improving without being there. The business needs to move forward statistically without being there. So you want to make that switch. If you want to build a business, you go here, building a small business to build a big business. On the right side, you are trading not your time for money anymore, but money for money. So you are hiring people to do the work as a big business owner, or you let your money work for you as an investor. Now, I hope everybody knows this. Employees, 60% of the people in the world. Self-employed, 45% of people in the world. 95% of people are on the left side here. 95% of people are on the left side here. That you are here on the left side is very common. 95% common. The right side, big business owners, 4% of the world, and 1% of the people in the world are investors. And even though I know this cash flow quadrant for probably about 10 years now, at least 8. Guys, didn't change. They're still just 1% investors, people that live completely from their investments. Like, I am an investor, but I'm also still self employed. If I don't trade, no money is coming. So, my goal, of course, there's multiple goals, but my self employed business needs to become a full time business. And I'm talking about my also I am business. I want to become more chairman level, but they even say chairman 10 is not called big business because you still work in it. If you're chairman 25, that's like freedom position. You can say you reached a big business, but it's going forward without you. And then here you have self-employed to add money that you don't need to become an investor and let investments pay you. That is the real goal in becoming that investor. But for now, guys, if you are a trader, if you are a trader as a hobby, then you are employed with trading as a hobby. And when you want to become full-time trader, you're still self-employed. You still need to trade your time for money. Today, here now, we are trading our time for money. We are trading our time and getting money out of the market. Make more money than you need. Use smart and good investments. And if you use smart and good investments, then you will be able to buy real estate, do all kinds of other things that are paying you without working. And that's when you are on the making money with money side. 1% of people in the world, guys. 1% of people in the world. So that's what I'm here for. I am here for helping you guys to get there. That is my main goal. That is my main goal. 3 to 5% a day you don't need. Your account will grow. You don't need all that money. And when you don't need all that money, then then that's the good news. All right, I'm going to sell Euro USD from yesterday again. So I know we hit stop loss right there. Let me put this cloud a little bit less active. We know it's a red cloud. So price, you know, very small market yesterday again. Euro USD from the moment of our entry didn't move more than 11 pips up. So if you're still in it, you're in blue. But I said to use a stop loss because we do 5 trades without stop loss, and most people have 5 trades without stop loss. And unless that really becomes better because we choose to close stuff, or we are getting slowly into profits, I chose to start giving those 2 to 3 trades with 3% risk. And I mean 3% risk in per trade, not in total. Yesterday it happened that we had just a couple of trades with in total 3.3% risk. Now, Euro USD was one of those trades that broke pivot and went to stop loss. Now, can happen. At this moment we are down again, and I'm going to take a new trade here. And I'm going again give it with a stop loss. And why do we give it with a stop loss? Is because we do want you guys to make money, right? So what we are going to do is we are going for the same take profit 1, which is 12 pips. And if it reaches that, we know that it can continue another 11 pips. But you see how small the pivots are for today? It's just because there's absolutely no volume. Like Euro USD yesterday, it was moving 16 pips in total. The market is insanely slow. Insanely slow. It's very hard to find setups. And yet when we find good setups, yesterday was a good setup, there's just no volume to prove it. Alright. So I'm going to put my stop loss, this is 5 pips, and then we are adding 5 pips more, so we're going to put our stop loss 10 pips. So 220, I'm going to write it out for you guys. And we are looking forward to riding this little boat. Ride this trade with me. Alright, it's 27.11. So for the new people, this is how we do it. We are writing on the screen Euro USD, sell, stop loss 1.10220, take profit 1.099. Wait, let me just delete yesterday's trade. We know it hit stop loss. I just want to really make sure I have the right numbers. So 10.220, 9993, and take profit 2 is optional 1.09877. Alright, so this trade has 12 pips take profit, 10 pips stop loss, 12, 13 pips take profit. Alright, that is the trade. That is the first trade of today. So what I'm doing now is I'm playing some music and I'm putting myself those trades in there. Euro USD, stop loss 110,220, take profit 0.993, sell. Hoppa. Hundred 220 0.9993. Alright, let's see what you guys think about that. Right, some people say I have just 3 trades open. Now we are doing this from 10 of October and we are making quite a good cash here. I am currently on the 1 hour time frame, but it doesn't really matter 50 minutes or 1 hour because the market is really slow. It's a market execution, absolutely. It won't let you trade this pair in 15-minute time frame. Guys, time frame and making a trade or not, yes, no, is unknown. Possible setups today: NZD JPY, AUD USD, CAD JPY and Euro JPY. That is good. We are going to go over them. So I'm just giving a stop loss. You don't have to use the stop loss. Entry point is for everybody different, guys. So entry point is going to be different for everybody. Just enter. Euro NZD don't enter anymore. It's after take profit 1. Just wondering why I'm not in the IM pivot scanner. It's because I'm using certain pivot indicator here to determine the day trend and stop loss. So this is my strategy that I have been talking about, that there will be more information in 2020. So regarding this strategy, more information will come in 2020, guys. So I'm using pivot scanner for exits, which is more accurate than this exit, but for entry this one is very clear for me. I was using this setup when I was not having the pivot scanner yet, and I really believe with Lee that the pivot scanner is an absolute amazing tool, but it's just of course not that easy available in TradingView. You need to have the pivot scanner. So this is what I'm saying, we don't have time to actually I would like to go now to the IM Academy pivot scanner to check my exit here. Alright, that's what I would love to do, but then we are doing so much checks for 12 pips that it's difficult. So you do or this one session or the other one session. I just try to mix it up a little bit. 1% of people are investors that really can live from their income. Trading profits are tax-free in UK. They are tax-free in a lot of countries. Someone said I have 4 open trades with some drawdown. Yeah, that is EC Van Dalen. That is okay. So some people have 3 trades. Some people have a few others. I didn't give any DA30 of UK oil trades, so they are not mine. Some people are completely new. And Sam is here from Cambridge. Welcome, Sam. Someone said my 3rd week with you, and this is my first day on a real account. Now that's what I really like to hear. If you're here for the first time, feel free to use a demo account, guys. Feel free to use a demo account. And also when you're here for the first time, do not forget to watch some videos. I'm going to check that. If you have less than 5 trades open right now, you are able to do it without stop loss because it's still the trend. Sorry, music too loud. Getting too enthusiastic. We don't have to trade every day, that's true as well. But I do like to find trades on a daily basis. I like to find trades on a daily basis. Take profit 1.09993. Stop loss 1.10220. Alright, let's see what else we can find. Slower music because you need to go to sleep after this. No way, guys. Stay awake all night. Alright, guys, so for everybody who's new, favorite sessions here, please watch the Theory of Strategy 1, the Theory of Strategy 2 on the pivot scanner, because that explains how my pivot sessions are working. And you see here the morning sessions are the one that are indicating starting at 8:38, 8:35, 8:44. And my afternoon swing trading sessions are the one that are starting about 1 o'clock. Alright, so yesterday afternoon, this was yesterday morning, this was the morning, Monday morning, Friday morning, Thursday morning, and this is Thursday afternoon pivot swing trading session. So I might be able to rename all of them, but it's a lot of work because I do a crazy amount of sessions. But that's what you can find under recorded sessions, and under favorite sessions please watch the Theory of Strategy 1 and the Theory of Strategy 2, which is the swing trading strategy for pivots, but it includes all the explanation of the different pivot levels. And if you understand the different pivot levels, you can use another strategy like I'm doing here in the morning to trade to do another trade strategy, but still use the pivots for perfect exits. Which app to use those trades? A MetaTrader 4, guys. For all of the people who are in Euro USD from yesterday, do you have to change out the take profit? It's almost the same. I wouldn't do that. It's like you can do it because it's a very slight. It's like one pip or maybe 2 pips up, because pivot shifted like 1 pip or something. So it's not really interesting. Take profit 2 is still the same as yesterday. Alright, so this is the Euro USD, and I'm going to look for some other trades. Okay, USD JPY, we're going for 8 pips in the buy. Market execution. This was the trade from yesterday, hit take profit. If you want to use a stop loss, it's 18 pips. $27.11 USD JPY for the buy. Same one as yesterday. Take profit 1, just the only take profit, is going to be 109.246. And if you want to stop loss, this one is optional this time, 108.984. No, let's not put optional. You guys can make your own decisions if you want to stop loss. It's an 8 pips take profit. I'm probably just entering this one, market execution, no stop loss, and let's go. Because it's a very nice trend. You know, the trend here is pretty clear for 2 days. $24.6, 109.246 for the buy. $24.6. Alright, so that's the second trade of today. I have 5 trades without stop loss on my account. Maximum 5 trades on 0.01 per 100 without stop loss on my account. And then I'm adding 2 or 3 more trades, so in total I have a maximum of 8 trades. But 2 or 3 need to have 3% risk stop loss. Alright, so this is less than 30 pips. This gives you like 1.8% risk if you do 0.01 per 100. Alright, so don't start to do 0.01 per 50. Don't start to do 0.02 on a $100 account. It's not a good idea to go bigger even though you have a stop loss, because you're going to lose 3%. That's not the point here. So this is just risking you 1.8%. This one is risking you 1%. So that is like it is nothing, but still important to understand. Alright, and then I'm selling the AUD USD. 10 pips take profit, 10 pips stop loss. $11.11. Alright, let's do $11.11. $11 take profit, $11 stop loss. Let's go. Stop loss 0.6 7 890 and take profit 0.67669, also 11 pips. And I can give you a take profit too, that after that it potentially goes another 10 pips. So that means that we have a take profit 2 if you want to twin trade it, because it's just 10 pips, it's 11 pips risk, right? So it's 1.1%. So if you want to twin trade it with a $100 account, you can. 0.01 2 times gives you 2.2% risk. Take profit 0.67562, which is 21 pips. Makes a nice 1-to-2 risk reward ratio on there. So here again, it's 1.1% risk on the trade, and if you twin trade it as you are doing double, you're just risking 2.2%. Hey guys, it has been very quiet on Instagram. You guys lost your interest. Let's keep those stories going, guys. I will do some sleep lullabies for Team Canada or whoever asked it. I think it was West Coast, East Coast or West Coast. Who wanted to go to sleep? Can do some songs that we are playing for Juris when he wants to go to sleep later at the end of the session. Right, AUD USD 6789, stop loss 67669 for take profit 1, 6789 stop loss, and 67562. I'm actually twin trading it myself. I have some belief that this pair will give us what we want. Six, 7, 8, 9, stop loss 6, 7, 6, 6, 9 for take profit 1. And 6, 7, 5, 6, 2 for take profit 2. Let's go, let's ride this baby. Hey, I see some stories on Instagram coming in. Cool, guys. Like we need to not lose the faith and the hope when we have some open trades. This is not a 1 day activity. This is going for at least a year together, guys. If you're not here for a year, what are you doing? Hobbying? People with a hobby make hobby money. Trading is serious, and I believe we can make an insane amount of money together if we are going just to keep going. I'm going for 6 years, 7.5 at the end of next year. I started in summer a long time ago when you guys were all still young and vibrant. I was already trading. Alright, I got them in my accounts. I hope you guys got them too. Let's make some cash. Alright guys, so these are 3 trades of today. And I really hope that even if you guys have 5 open trades from before, just sit them out. I think most people have more than like 2 or 3 trades open right now. So these are 3 extra trades that you can easily take. If you have 5 open trades without stop loss, make sure you are using stop losses here, guys. Your account needs to be risk-free. That is very, very, very important. Make sure you are not able to blow your account. Make sure you have a leverage of 1 to 500 because it's keeping you safe. A lot of people think that that leverage is a risky thing. It's only a risky thing if you use it. So when you get 1 to 500 and you keep on this risk reward system, then you have nice rewards on your balance. And if you have 1 to 300, you simply have a little bit more risk. If you have 1 to 100, you have more risk. You have 5 times the risk that your account is not holding the trades. Alright, so 1 to 500, 1 to 1000 or more is basically very, very small accounts or really bad brokers. So 1 to 300, 1 to 500, if that's the maximum at your broker, that is mostly okay. Guys, let's make sure we are getting our friends on those calls. It is not the end of the year. It is, we are with about 900 people. And normally we are at 1000. Our top is 1200. I'm not begging for viewers, I don't care. But I think your team, your friends, your family should be going on those calls. Alright? Fajana, they are typed out on the screen and you can pause the video with those. That would be new. So if you're trading like a hobby, you will make hobby money. If you trade it like a professional job or a professional business, just how you want to see it, your self-employed business, you will make serious business money. Alright? You will make serious business money. Yeah, I'm trying to be DJ, putting it louder when I say nothing, putting the music lower when I'm talking. Alright, what was someone asking? Channel recommendation, very good, Stotty. Yeah, so guys, please, I don't know if it's on the screen here, but I will type it. Please make sure that any updates, trade updates, are coming on https t.me for Telegram /trade with Bas or search trade with Bas. and take the right group, guys. So I saw that there were two little scammy groups with 100 people in it. Our group is about 4,500. Let's hit 5k. Let's hit 5k on the Telegram. Please make sure, guys, you are in there. Adriana, the Eventbrite are sold out, so you cannot register there anymore. Someone said fake forex online hurts me. I don't know, so many. Oh, okay, we are here to help you, man. Any suggestions on Instagram stories? Lol. West Coast Canada. Oh yeah, wait. Let me get that done. Let me get that done. As promised. We go relaxed for West Coast. Alright, we go relaxed for West Coast. Have a great day for you also, guys. No sleep in Vegas. No, Vegas doesn't sleep. People think it's a scam, guys. It's not a scam if you make money every day. That is the goal. So let's get it done. More information about indicators and everything coming in 2020, guys. Hold on till 20 December together with me. Last trading day. Then between 20 December and 6th of January there will be some really cool sessions that I'm going to host about trading, but not trading. But I think that is a little course I'm going to put together on Go Live in a couple of sessions that you guys are really going to like. So I'm working on that right now. And then we are going to trade again from 6th of January every morning. We are going to continue. No worries, it's confirmed we are going to continue, and more news to come.